Time for KJ to have a dog door. Late night projects with Skip the Builder while drinking a beer. And yes, I have a Sawzall. This just minimizes the dust because I'm in the kitchen. It's pretty simple. Almost done. If you did it, if you planned it right, you can choose a spot that doesn't have any studs, no plumbing, and no electrical right in between two studs. And you can do that the same way I did it. Knock on the wall. That's a stud. That's not a stud. Stud, stud. Sound difference. So I knew there was an open space, and this is exactly where I wanted it to go because it's right on the deck outside. Real simple. Just cut this insulation out of there. Don't breathe this stuff in too much. You won't like it. Now time for the Sawzall for the exterior wall. Siding on the outside of my house. And voila. There's the outside. Use this insulation, shove back into the sides. Help keep the bills low. Go. The flat goes on this side. Bam. And that's that. You'll see the finished product here in a second. Just like that, the dog's door is in. KJ, come here. Let's test it out, buddy. Go outside. Outside. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. You get a treat for that. You get a treat. Sit. Oh, what is that? Nice. Nice. Good boy.